Today's video is about what are the treatment options available at Painex Pain Management Clinic for shoulder pain. So as I mentioned in the previous video, there are several causes of shoulder pain, and based on the cause, severity and duration, also age of the patient and investigation findings, there are several non-surgical treatment options for shoulder pain. So the number one treatment option is PRP therapy, that is platelet-rich plasma therapy. This is typically done for patients who have some sort of injury or friction or degeneration of the various muscles around the shoulder. This injury may be related to any trauma, it may be related to any sports or gym, or it might be just age-related degeneration. PRP therapy works wonders and it helps in reversing all these changes in your shoulder joint. Second common treatment option, which is extremely effective, is cooled radiofrequency ablation of the suprascapular nerve. So this is basically the nerve supply of the shoulder joint is reset with the help of heat around 42 degrees Celsius under ultrasound guidance. We visualize the shoulder joint, we visualize the nerve supplying the shoulder joint, and with accurate precision and with utmost modern technology, we help in reducing the irritation of that nerve, which prevents the pain from the shoulder joint reaching up to your brain. This procedure is done in the operation theatre. It is totally safe. It is a daycare procedure, does not require any sort of bed rest, and it is just an injection, no surgery. This will reduce your shoulder pain. Thirdly, for frozen shoulder, we do something called as adhesiolysis. Again, under ultrasonography, we visualize the shoulder joint, the adhesions or the abnormalities in the shoulder joint, in the muscles, in the capsule is visualized, and with the help of certain medicines, we help in releasing and making free the shoulder joint. Fourth treatment that we do is IMS or intramuscular stimulation, also known as dry needling. In this, the muscles around the shoulder joint, which have become tight or are in spasm, and which are causing pain, they are stimulated with monofilament very fine as thin as hair needles, which are inserted into the muscles of the shoulder joint, so that these muscles are stimulated, they release and they become free, which allows for painless physiotherapy. Along with this, a lot of physiotherapy and rehabilitation is needed so that the movement of the shoulder joint comes back to normal. So if you or anyone in your family is suffering from shoulder pain, please visit our website. For any more queries, you can ask me in the comments section. You can call us on the number given below. Thank you.